Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find and use the Splice tool to split your clips. So this Splice tool just basically splits your video into different parts, and then on this one it splits and deletes the left side of the video. This one splits and deletes the right side. You can also switch to this mode, which is the split tool, where you can just press on it without having to go back and forth. And yeah, those are just the ways to split your clips in a few smaller clips. I do like using this one the best because I usually just select something and I want just a part of the video. So for instance, I want to start here. I'm just going to delete the rest. And then here I want to delete this part, so I use this one. That's basically where you can split your clips in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!